Hello viewers and welcome to Neo News Today's introduction to yet another Neo blockchain game. This time we'll be showcasing NachoMen, which is a luchador wrestling game developed by the same team behind Phantasma, where you can collect, train, trade and battle luchadors. Luchadors and the items that they can wield are non-fungible tokens, so each one is completely unique and you can trade them freely over the blockchain without any restrictions. We'll start out today by running through the different functions so that you can get started collecting and playing. So after you have downloaded and opened the game, the first thing that you are going to encounter is a login screen. You can either log into an existing Neo address using a private key, or you can use the sign up page to generate a new one. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the menu page, and let's go ahead and hop into the wallet first. The wallet is pretty self-explanatory. You can see your Neo address, your wallet balance, and your contract balance. Since you probably don't have any wrestlers yet, the first step will be to send some of Phantasma's native soul tokens to your wallet. Once you have some soul, you can use the top-up function to add them to the smart contract balance, and at this point they can be used to buy wrestlers or participate in ranked matches and all that kind of stuff. NachoMen have also added a referral system. If you'd like to know how that works, we'll leave a link to the announcement in the description below. Now that you've topped up the contract balance, let's head into the marketplace, which is where you can hire wrestlers and buy items which they can then equip. The market itself is decentralized, unregulated, so users will be setting their own prices. Some of these will be reasonable, some of them might not be. So we recommend using these sort and filter functions to narrow down your choices. Once you've picked up a wrestler or two, you can back out to the main menu where you'll be able to select an active wrestler in the center of the screen. Before we head into the battle section, let's take a look at the team page. This is where you can see all of the luchadors you own, along with another separate tab for items. You can hit the details button to change a wrestler's name, see their stats and movesets, and from this page you can also list luchadors for sale or send them to another account directly via its Phantasma wallet address. On the main menu, you can select the wrestler you want to use and then head into the battle section. You'll be greeted by 4 options: practice, unranked, ranked, and versus. Now only level 16 luchadors may participate in the ranked or versus matches, which both require soul to play them, so hop into the practice mode first. Your first opponent will just be a simple wooden dummy, but these are computer controlled, and as you defeat more of them, you'll unlock more difficult opponents. After you've selected your opponent, you will be placed into a game where you now have 30 seconds to select one move to use in each round. The first moveset, or stance as they're called in the game, contains 3 similar moves for all luchadors, which is a weak move, a strong move, a counter move, and then a stance changing move that will switch you to your second moveset. The weak, heavy, and counter moves essentially work like rock, paper, scissors, with weak moves being effective against counters, counters beating heavy attacks, and heavy attacks being strongest against weak moves. Using the special move found at the bottom of the screen will switch your stance, which is where you'll find moves that carry status effects like burns, you can get buffs to your defense, healing moves, and other interesting skills. When one luchador has lost all of their health, the match is over, and your luchador will gain some experience points. If you'd prefer to gain your XP passively without actually fighting battles, it's time to head over to the gym section. So let's head back out and into the gym, where you can leave your luchadors training in one of the 3 key stats: stamina, attack, and defense. The longer that you leave them training, the more XP they will earn, but keep in mind that once you've put them into the gym, you can't take them out until an hour has passed. So this is a great way to level up your wrestlers and beef up any of the stats that are looking a bit low. That's the basic gameplay for NachoMen covered, so with that you should have everything you need to get started. You'll notice that the Academy section isn't currently available. This is eventually going to feature some interactive tutorials that will teach you advanced strategies like combining specific items and movesets. There's also the room, which is a bit of a mystery. It's packed with secrets that have yet to really be discovered. The NachoMen community has been doing lots of experimentation, so check out the Telegram channel, link in the description, if you want to get involved with that. NachoMen can be downloaded for Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android on the nacho.men website, not nachomen.com, because that is something different entirely. We'll leave a link in the description below for easy access. Thanks for watching, guys, and have fun.